Hello my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. It has been quite a while since I have posted a video on the channel. I was quite busy, but I'm back. Yes, and I have something quite exciting for you, so I want you to stay with me throughout the video. Now, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I want you to become a part of the MDTD family. I also want you to like and share it with your family and friends, and let's get everybody on board, all right? So today I have something quite exciting for you. I'm going to show you how to make authentic Jamaican cornmeal pudding. Yes, if you're a Jamaican, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're not, then today you will know. All right, so stay tuned, watch the video to the end. I'm going to walk you through the ingredients. I'm going to walk you through the process, and I'm sure that you won't regret it. All right, let's get it together. So let me show you the basic ingredients that I will be working with today. So I have 3 cups of cornmeal, refined cornmeal sifted, 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 tablespoons butter or margarine, and in this I have a tablespoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, a teaspoon salt, and some grated ginger. I have the good old coconut. I'm going to open this, blend it, shred it, juice it, and come back to you. I have mixed essence, almond, some rosewater, and vanilla. So these are the basic ingredients that I will be working with. All right, so stay tuned and let's go through the process together. So now that I've removed the coconut from its shell, I'm going to go ahead and cut it up in small pieces so as not to put too much pressure on my blender. All right, so very simple process. Now, if you can't find a coconut, authentic coconut or the organic coconut near you, then you can always use the powder or even the one in the tin, the juice or the milk in the tin. So guys, just like this, and I'm going to blend it and extract the milk, and I will come back to you. Let me know, when was the last time you had a piece of cornmeal pudding? For me, it has been a long time, long time. Okay guys, so what we're going to do now is to prepare our wet ingredients. So I have 6 cups of coconut milk. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vanilla. Teaspoon of mixed essence, a teaspoon of rose water, and also a teaspoon of almond essence. And you just want to give this a thorough mix until the sugar granules are completely dissolved. I'm also going to add the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Right, we'll just set this aside. Next, I want to prepare the dry ingredients. Now, the cornmeal was already sifted, but while I was showing you the coconut, some of the residue from the coconut or the trash from the coconut fell in, so I just want to make sure that everything is good. And we're also going to sift our flour. Voila. Now we're going to go ahead and add our cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. I'm holding back the ginger for a bit. Now we're going to pour in our wet ingredients. Wow, it's smelling so good, guys. So you want to make sure that you give it a good mix. Make sure that there are no lumps. And we're going to save back some of the coconut milk for later. Let's add our ginger. And remember, I told you I was saving back some of the coconut trash. I'm going to put about a 1/4 cup in. This is optional, but it gives it a good kick. Okay guys, so my mixture is ready. And in the meantime, I am preheating my oven to 350 degrees. And I'm going to bake this for about 45 minutes or until it's firmed up, all right? Now, if you're wondering what amount of coconut milk I put in this, it's about 5 cups and I have a cup remain, and I will tell you why. But just stay with me through the process. And if you've reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, like and share, all right? So I have my grease baking tin. I'll just pour the mixture in and put this in the oven. So there you have it. Put it in the oven and I'll check back in with you in about 45 minutes or so, all right? Stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being a part of the MDTD family. So guys, this is what our pudding looks like after 45 minutes in the oven. So I'm going to take the remainder of the coconut milk that I put aside, and I'm going to pour it on top to make a custard. Now what you want to do is to add about 2 more tablespoons of sugar, because you want the top to be a bit sweeter. And just spread it over. Put it back in the oven for about 15 minutes. And then we're done. So guys, this is what the finished product look like. All right, so I'm just going to allow this to cool for about an hour before I cut so that you can see it. All right, so be patient. Thank you so much for your patience. Thank you for viewing, and let me know how your cornmeal pudding turns out. All right. Okay guys, now that it's a bit cool, I want to give it a cut and show you what it is like. Wow. Just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Smelling good. All right, just look at this, guys. This is our cornmeal pudding. Awesome. All right. And let me know what you have your pudding with. Is it with tea, milk, coffee, juice? What would you have your pudding with, huh? Let me know in the comment section, all right? Thank you so much. I'm going to taste, and I do hope that you enjoy yours as well. So this concludes the end of another amazing video. How to make cornmeal pudding Jamaican style. Let me hope that you have enjoyed the video, and please leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Also remember to subscribe. Put a like on the video. This is how you help the video to go out to other folks, all right? And share it with your friends and your families. Yes, I need you to come on board. Man, I cannot overemphasize this. I need you to come on board. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And I look forward to sharing another amazing recipe in the next video. Also, you can go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It is Paul_MDTD. So just hop over right now and hit follow. All right? Stay tuned. God bless you. See you in the next video. And again, let me know how your cornmeal pudding turns out. All right? God bless you. Peace. Long life, prosperity, and strength.